Scuttle Cove Tram stop. You should disembark here for Scuttle Cove Children's Program Area, Montreux Point Famous Whale Skeleton Day, Castaway Race Stingray Adventure, Watercraft Rentals, Gill Spins and both snorkel and sheepshells, seashells, and everything else. As a reminder, lunch is served between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. at two locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies Stew. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. Now please remain seated until the tram has come to a complete stop. Again, welcome to Disney's Castaway Cay. Have a great day, and remember to listen for the ship's whistle. It will signal the final tram. See you later, and have fun.
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.